This tiny camera claims it can record your entire journey in crystal clear 4K, even at night, help you avoid crashes and watch your car while you're away, and all for the price of a mid-range smartwatch. So I spent a week driving with it day, night, rain and traffic to see if the Navitel RS990 GPS is actually the perfect dashcam or just another overhyped gadget. Alright, you've probably seen dashcams before, little boxes that record grainy footage you hope you never need. But this one, the RS990, is doing something different. 4K front camera using Sony's latest STARVIS 2 sensor, a full HD rear cam in the box, built-in GPS, ADAS, Wi-Fi and even voice control. And it's made by Navitel, a brand better known for its navigation systems, now trying to prove it can do premium dashcams too. The unboxing is surprisingly premium. You get the main camera, the rear unit, a USB-C power cable for the front camera, and you also get one for the rear camera. Car charger, manuals and even a voucher for Navitel's map app. You get some 3M stickers to mount the cameras to your windscreens, along with the mount for the main camera, which already has a sticker attached to it. The main unit feels solid, matte finish, no fingerprint magnets, and a nice weight that doesn't scream cheap plastic. There's a 3-inch IPS display on the back, bright, but it's not a touchscreen, which might sound basic in 2025. Still, the simplicity means fewer fingerprints and better durability. Taking a look around the unit, we've got all the features plastered on the screen. Below that we've got all the buttons we use to navigate around the menus. To one side we've got USB power, and we've got the input for the rear camera, and a small mic, as the RS990 does actually record sound. On the front of course we've got the lens, and this is a 160-degree wide view angle, Ultra HD lens with an aperture of f1.8, which means we're going to get a lot of light coming in to the camera sensor. Now the lens does actually pivot on a point, so you can adjust the angle of view. On the other side we've got an SD card slot and a reset button. It supports up to 512GB micro SD, so yes, you could practically record a road trip from London to Lisbon. Setup is straightforward. Stick it on your windshield, run the rear cam cable to the back window and plug it in. You can connect it to the Navitel DVR Center app over Wi-Fi to tweak settings or download clips. No pairing codes, no random disconnects, just open, connect, done. That's how it should be. And then the footage. This thing records genuine 4K at 30 frames per second from the front with a Sony IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensor, which for the camera nerds out there means bigger pixels, better dynamic range and sharper contrast. Translation: number plates stay readable even under harsh sunlight. Colours are punchy but natural, and HDR does a solid job balancing the bright sky and dark dashboard. I've tested dashcams twice this price that couldn't match this clarity. Nighttime is where most dashcams struggle, but the RS990 actually handles it like a champ. You can clearly read signs, spot pedestrians and even pick out details in low street lighting. There's still some motion blur at high speed, but the STARVIS 2 sensor and HDR help a lot with glare from headlights. For something this compact, it's impressive, like genuinely. The included rear camera records in Full HD at 120 degrees, not as sharp as the front, but perfectly fine for capturing someone tailgating or rear-end collisions. It automatically syncs with the front camera, so both videos are timestamped and stored together. If you've ever been hit from behind and wish you'd had proof, this is exactly what you need. And then you've got the smart stuff. The RS990 features ADAS, so it can alert you if you're drifting out of lane or approaching a car too fast. It's not Tesla level autonomy, but it's genuinely useful for long drives. Built-in GPS also means accurate speed logs, location data and even speed zone alerts through Navitel's database. You can also say things like lock current video, and it does it, no button pressing while driving. And with the optional Smartbox Power Kit, it can watch your car 24/7, motion detection and G-sensor triggers included. The Navitel app is basic but functional. You can preview footage, adjust settings and transfer clips fast over Wi-Fi. Menus on the device are button-based, old school but responsive, no lag, no freezing. It's one of those products that doesn't feel flashy, but it works consistently. Okay, pros. We've got 4K Sony STARVIS image quality, rear camera included, built-in GPS, ADAS, voice control, reliable Wi-Fi and app integration, and compact premium design. The cons are no touchscreen, full parking mode needs extra smart box, rear cam quality is good, not great, no screen mount included in the box, so it's not perfect, but neither is my parallel parking. So after a week of testing, here's the verdict. The Navitel RS990 GPS feels like a genuinely smart upgrade for anyone who wants a reliable, crystal clear dashcam without paying flagship prices. The footage is superb, especially at night. The features actually work, and it's built like it'll last. If Navitel keeps this up, the big names in dashcams should be worried. Also, if your excuse for not having a dashcam is that they're ugly, you might want to rethink that. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let me know in the comments what one gadget in your car you can't live without. I'll pin the best one.